Oh boy, I ain't gonna lie to you boys. Every Christmas and birthday that I have, I get so stoked to do this video because I think it's super lame at somebody when I just turned 20s to show off their birthday presents, but I think it's funny, and then I sit down, I'm like, this is ridiculous. Here's my birthday presents that I got this year. Now, a lot of you boys, if you guys didn't watch last video, first off, Ian told you guys that it was my birthday on Friday, which was like 2 days ago, and I said in that video, I don't really care about my birthday, I don't plan anything, but when you have like girls in your friend group that plan like they do, they tend to surprise you every day. So it's been partying a lot. I wasn't feeling too well this morning, so I'm like, let me grab some of that green medicine that I have that is medicinal for me and legal. Just don't promote it if you're underage. I don't promote it at all, whatever. Let's just do this video because I feel awful. Now I'm feeling a little better, to be honest. Anyway, here's my birthday gifts from 2021. Instagram's down today. My day's been shot, ruined. I feel miserable about it. Thumbs up, comment down below, and say happy birthday, Bran. I don't need it because I don't care. Christmas is the best, bro. Anyway, I'm just telling you what to comment so we can get more. Also, last video, mom's spaghetti video. A lot of people got mad. I know the guy that sent it. In the video, I sent to Ian, yo, I don't know who sent it, bro. This is sketchy. After, if you see the shot off camera when we then go to eat, in between the shots, I told Ian, like, yo, I know this guy. I'd never feed him or myself anything some random person sent. It was just all part of the bit. I thought it was fun to screw with him a little bit at first, but don't worry about that. I think that's it. Quick ad or no? Now, we'll get into the birthday gifts. So here's what happens, boys, when you get to my age. Birthday gifts aren't crazy. One, because I don't want for anything. I don't want any gifts. I told my girlfriend not to get me anything, and she did it. Thankfully, she actually listened to me. Oh, no, I said, get me sushi ingredients, and I want to make sushi with you one night, so we're gonna do that. But this is the physical items that I got for my birthday, and one I actually got today, which I think you guys are really gonna dig. I haven't looked at it yet, but I'm quite stoked about it, because it's something great for the channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. Wild weekend, bro. Alright, let's go. Keep in mind, boys, I just think this is funny at my age doing this. First thing, I really want to get to that because I want to have a bite. My aunt and uncle took us out to a nice dinner. You know, my mom got me a nice lunch, you know what I mean? So there's not much physical, doesn't matter, that's what I'd like. So it's gonna be a shorter video. We'll try to make it cool. First thing my mom did get me, besides lunch, great lunch by the way, love you mom, was this right here. This is when you become an adult, boys. It's a Hamilton Beach, not sponsored, but it should be because I've had one at least in the past. That's why I had to get another one. Egg maker. It makes like egg McMuffins, yo. This is so good. We're gonna get into cooler stuff, don't worry. But this is my favorite thing in the world. It makes two. I just lost one. You put the bread in there. Oh wait, no. What do you do? I'm a little STON. Put the bread in there and then put that down. You crack the egg in there and then put the bread on top. You close her up 5 minutes, take her out, slide it like this so it all falls down. Boom, you got your freaking bun and bread and egg McMuffin. I'm addicted to them. I have at least 6 a day, to be honest. That's actually what my last one broke because I get crazy with it. Also, my mom got me eggs. Dude, boys, they're only like 50 bucks. I think 40 bucks on Amazon. Highly, highly recommend this thing if you like egg McMuffins. You're gonna save tons of money not going to McDonald's. I'm super stoked about this. It's honestly one of the leading factors as that I wanted to make this video because I literally had 6 a night for a year and a half. My other one, and it just started going out because I used it as much as somebody would in like 2 years. And then we got eggs, and this is my favorite part. She also got me some ham that I've been getting into. So, hey, you can put ham in there, you can put... I'm hungry as hell, boys. I did not expect to take a bite on camera, my bad. Oh yeah, I didn't realize how hungry I was till I ate that. I might have to finish that. And then, what else? We got one more thing that I got. And then a little surprise gift from my buddy who left on the step today. You guys might dig. Next, I got this. It's a freaking water thing that you make like sparkly water with. I don't know, it's like carbonated water. I just like that stuff. It just tastes better to me. You put a little Mio in there. I don't really know how it works. I used it 2 nights ago, but I was way out of my mind to remember how I even made that happen. But that little thing right there. And last up, something you guys actually will dig. This is really sweet. This is for my buddy that actually resells sneakers in Winnipeg. Does a really, really good job of it. And he left this on my steps this morning, which is super cool. I actually, believe it or not, have not looked into this yet. Now, what this is a 700 Yeezy, boys. Pretty much what he said. He's really successful in this, so I could actually accept this gift. Yeah, I don't know if you guys have been noticing lately, but I've been bringing more sneakers into the channel because we used to do it a lot. And what sneakers do for the channel, or at least for me and what I dig, is I can customize them in weird ways. I want to make another Yeezy Slurpee again. Hopefully these are good for it. it, or maybe I'll get, I don't know, maybe they have the white pair. That would be sick. We can go out tomorrow. But I just love the customization. I love the creativity that came with me in sneaker videos. So we saw that. He's like, yo, this is dope that you're doing this again. This is what I always want to watch you do. Dropped it off on the step today with one disclaimer, which made me feel very good, because Yeezy 700s are quite expensive. He said they are fake. With reselling, sometimes you acquire fake sneakers, you get your money back, whatever it is. But they are fake. But he thought it'd be great for a video. And once again, boys, I'm just trying to bring back what I love to do on this channel. I love the jewelry and stuff like that, but I can only afford to like spend so much on jewelry to review, and then it gets a little boring. I actually just like taking expensive shoes and destroying them for views, because I think that's a lot more fun and a lot more up my alley. We're gonna take a look at this for the first time though. Literally dropped it off, I don't know, an hour or two ago. Thank you so much, brother. Also, if I had his business link, I have it, but it's on Instagram, but they're shut down right now. I'll put it down below too, or I'll just text up. Oh God, yeah, these are fake. So what you don't know about me, if you don't know, I was into... What the hell is that? Who's texting me, yo? Oh, these definitely are fake. These don't come with a thank you card. Dear valid customer. Yeah, no, that's definitely fake. When I was doing sneakers, boys, I was actually legit checking Yeezys. Like, I knew my sneakers, and I've destroyed about 40 pairs of real sneakers in the past years that I've done YouTube. Just doing the craziest stuff, from deep frying them to freaking Yeezy Slurpees, making them into skates, a bunch of stuff like that. I'm getting re-stoked about it. What's that? Another card. I'm not looking at what they are yet, although I think I have a hint. That's StockX, so that's a fake verification. Do not promote fake sneakers, by the way. That's why we destroy them. Although I'd like to do the real ones for a little more punch. Texting me, man. It's my girlfriend. All right, let's go. This is what I'm stoked for, boys. This is why oh God, I forgot my birthday hat. Oh yeah, there you go. Sick. This is what I'm stoked for. I want to do more sneakers, more customs, and everything else. We got that. Are they the belugas? Oh, I'm so out of touch. Let's go. I don't know how to customize these. I like the ones that are one color, so we can, oh my God, bro, thank you. Listen, man, I don't care about gifts, but if it's, I'm taking this off, I feel like an ass. If it's for the channel though, and I can make some cool content out of it, that's all I've asked for the past 10 years now. Give me something that can make my channel look good. That actually, I've never legit checked these ones. These were a little bit after I started getting into Yeezys, so I can't really help you out too much, but that does come on them sometimes, as far as I remember. I don't know if they do anymore, but these are the super, super popular, I think, first 700s that actually came out. I'm sorry if you guys don't care about shoes, but you won't have to with the videos I put out, because I'm just gonna destroy them in crazy ways or customize them in crazy ways and do jewelry. Tried it with jewelry, but smashing my watch that was around, I almost paid a little under 10 grand for it the other day. Didn't work out too much, but I like the shock factor anyway. That's what we got. Brother, thank you so much. This is perfect for the channel. The hell is this? Get? Yeah, they don't come with that. That's a fact. That's all I got for my birthday, boys, and I'm stoked about it. People actually listened. I said, don't spend money on myself. If I want it, I can earn it myself. But then you can't really turn down gifts, because then my girlfriend says that's rude. Oh, also, last thing I got. This was so sick. Just late that night on my birthday, my buddy airdropped me an NFT. I'm really into NFTs right now, and the thing was like 600 bucks. So I don't know why he did that. I sent him one right after to repay him that I had in my collection, but that's what I got. I had a great time, boys. I'm now feeling a little better. Just talking to you guys sobered me up, and I think actually that medicine helped me the most. And I think a couple bites of ham really helped too. We're gonna take one more of this. Sometimes they're on sale at Safeway. It's a Canadian place. They don't on sale anywhere. Come in half hams. Go through this tonight, guaranteed. Anyway, that's my update. I'm stoked. Get back to regular scheduling tomorrow, as although I think this video is funny. Okay, bye.